time to start the felicitation. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
The outcome of hard work, dedication, and dreams is success. Recognition is the best way to celebrate success. Let's celebrate the success of Chennai champions. Double DTM Jaypriya, club mentor, an exemplary and visionary mentor who converted our weaknesses into learning, our pressure into productivity. Thank you, ma'am, for being the creator of Chennai champions. DTM Prasanna, guiding star. He is people person and treasure of knowledge. Thank you, sir, for taking us out of tough situations whenever we required your help. Toastmaster Shobna, guiding star, a leader leading us from behind and let others shine. Toastmaster Varsha, guiding star, torchbearer of Chennai champions, a strong foundation who holds the structure of EXCOM on her shoulders. Thank you for guiding us throughout the term. Toastmaster Ganesh Raja, guiding star. Thank you, sir, for your immense support and guidance. Thank you, EXCOM team, for your cooperation and coordination. And because of that, we achieved more milestones. Toastmaster Vivekanandan, Vice President of Education, his relentless efforts made each and every meeting a phenomenal learning experience. Toastmaster Arvind, BP membership, an amicable personality who knows how to charm guests and members with his out-of-box thinking and creativity. Toastmaster Rajeshri, BP PR. With commitment, our BP PR completed the entire journey with finish and high note. Toastmaster Naga Jyoti, secretary, with her diligence, she had created intricate minutes of the meeting. Toastmaster Sendil Kumar, treasurer. Toastmaster Sendil Kumar displayed utmost perseverance and dedication in every task. Toastmaster Shruti, sergeant at arms, an invincible human with respect to time, not a single day we experienced a lag in the meeting. Golden Gavel, sincere gratitude to mentors, members, and EXCOM team in achieving Golden Gavel. I would like to thank District 120 for this honor and appreciation. Congratulations, Double DTM Priya, for Pathway Celebrity Award. Toastmaster Anita, congratulations for Excellence in Leadership Award. Double DTM Jay Priya and Toastmaster Ganesh Raja, congratulations for Triple Crown Award. Toastmaster Rajeshri, thank you for representing our club in area, division, and district level contests and made us proud by winning several trophies contests at second runner-up. Thank you, Toastmaster Anita, for representing our club in division as contest master. Thank you, Toastmaster Shanta Kumar, for representing our club in area as an contestant. Toastmaster Shruti, thank you for going beyond the club as contest chair. Congratulations, Toastmaster Chandrasekhar, for completing level 1 in leadership development. Toastmaster Shanta Kumar, for completing level 3 in engaging humor. Toastmaster Anita, completing level 2 in presentation mastery. Toastmaster Ramesh, for completing level 1 in dynamic leadership. Toastmaster Sudha Kodi, for completing level 1 in strategic relationships. Toastmaster Akash, for completing level 1 in innovative planning. And now it's time for to felicitate supporting staff. The life and soul of Chennai champions are Toastmaster Ramesh, Toastmaster Priya, Toastmaster Akash, Toastmaster Sudha Kodi, Toastmaster Praveen, Toastmaster Shiva Kumar, Toastmaster Shweta, and Toastmaster Pooja. Thank you, supporting staff, for active participation and taking meetings to next level. Thank you. Thank you, leaders, for gracing the occasion. Thank you, Division H Director, DTM Malarvi. Division H Director elect Toastmaster Arun Kumar for gracing the occasion. Area Director H3, Toastmaster Princely. Thank you, Division H Area Director H5, Fatima Batul. Now it's time for certificate of appreciation. Thank you, Toastmaster Sri Ranganathan, keynote speakers, for conducting valuable education sessions. Now the appreciation certificate goes to Epitome of Determination, Toastmaster Akash. Epitome of Inspiration, Table Topic Master, Toastmaster Anita. Epitome of Leadership Qualities, Toastmaster Varsha. Epitome of Wisdom, Toastmaster Chandrasekhar. And a person with charismatic personality, Toastmaster Shweta. Epitome of Talent, Toastmaster Shanta Kumar. Epitome of Integrity, Toastmaster Priya Bala. Epitome of Elegance, Toastmaster Sudha Kodi. All the best upcoming team, especially congratulations Toastmaster Vivek and team. And thank you everyone for gracing the occasion.